Hello guys! So welcome back to our YouTube channel. Nandito kami ngayon sa sasakyan at manunod kami ng sine. Ayan, Lilo and Stitch. No, Mary, no. Nood tayo ng Lilo and Stitch. So 6 o'clock pa yung showing. Pupunta muna kami ng Park Zone para kumain or something. Kumain ng ice cream daw, sabi ni Mary. Ayan, so let's go guys! Hello guys! So nandito na kami ngayon sa Park Zone. Kasama ko si Mary at si Papa Jumar. So, ayan guys. Wow, may cafe Amazon na dito sa Park Zone, guys. Kakain muna tayo. Mary, come.
This is the where we go when we don't know what this only is the map. See? The toilet. See? What?
Tayo ngayon sa Mumizu. Bibili tayo ng milk tea. Okay, after Papa will buy, we're gonna buy ice cream for you, okay? Alright. Okay. But make sure,
The mommy.
hindi ka nagdala ng extra shirt mo pero, hindi ka nagdala ng extra shirt mo pero, yung may container na lang, okay? Para hindi ka madumihan. Ha?
With the cones. With the cone. I want two laps. Two laps.
Ha?
Two laps.
Anong tulasa? Isa lang.
Okay, I want the white one.
Sarap. Yummy, yummy. Very happy. Happy ka? Wow, look at the face. May tissue dito, ah. Huwag mong hawa. Huwag mong, ano. Ito, may tissue dito.
Mama, look at us. The ticket.
It's okay, it's okay. Na, bili mo. Come here pa. Sarap. Ay, manonood sa sinehan si Mary for the first time and forever. Kaya siya naka-Elsa.
Hi, Mama.
Ha?
I will watch. I
Ano?
will watch and eat the ice cream.
Cannot bring that one. Cannot bring the ice cream there. Yes, you can. Tingnan mo yung face mo, Dumi. I love you. Love you. Bagi pa ako. Ako mo na.
Mama.
Not too close. Ito ang aking drink. Milk tea tayo, guys. What? Wala, hindi tumulo yung ice cream niya. Ang galing,
Can I take a bite?
Sure, Papa? Sure. You can have again next time.
Siya rin, nasa bunga ka niya.
Sure. Sumabot hangin ako. Galing mo kumain, After ng ice cream, nag-milk tea naman kami ni Jumar. Tapos, family bonding over sweets. Love na love ni Mary to. So, tapos na si Mary sa ice cream niya.
Ha?
Bye.
Mama.
Ay, wag yung shirt mo, ah. Ang saya ni Mary kumakain ng ice cream. Ngayon na lang ulit siya nagkaroon ng ice cream na nakaapa. Ayan, na nakalagay sa cone, di ba? Simot na simot, oh, non-stop ang bibig. Go, eat!
Stop tulo.
Ah, walang tulo. Na. Yummy. Ay, sus. Ay, sus. Last bite. Wow! Yummy? Huh? Good? Ah, good. Alright guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Loteria. Bumibili si Papa ng aming kakainin mamaya. Bibili tayo ng burger. Kasi medyo late na kami matatapos mamaya magsini. So at least meron na kami naka-ready pagkain.
Mama.
Why? Ayan si Papa, nakapila na si Papa. Mary, time to go na. Halika na, mag-watch pa tayo ng movie. Okay, alis na kami dito sa Parkson, guys. Lilipat na kami ng Vientiane Center at nandoon ang sinihan. Okay? 5 o'clock na din, 6 o'clock ang showing ng Lilo and Stitch. Okay, let's go!
A few moments later.
Dito, bilis! Hello guys! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa elevator. So, we are here guys sa Cineplex. Ayan.
You want popcorn?
You want popcorn, Mary? Yeah? Popcorn? Ito pa panoorin natin, oh, si Lilo. We were gonna buy popcorn. Uy, not that one.
What?
Buy popcorn?
What's that?
You want popcorn?
It's not allowed for children.
No, it's not.
What's that?
It's Final Destination.
What?
Let's buy popcorn.
What's that?
Okay, Mary. Let's see. Oh, you hold it. 2 hands. Hold it nicely. Mahulog. Okay, go to Papa. Go. 2 hands, please. 2 hands, Mary. Matatapon yan. Matatapon, Mary. Matatapon. Ah.
I'm gonna get it.
Kain tayo ng popcorn. Yung maubos mo lang. What are you eating, Mary? So, nandito na kami, guys, sa loob. So, waiting kami. Malapit na mag-start. So, malapit na kami pumasok sa loob. So, dito kami sa Theater 4. Ayan. Because English to, Lilo and Stitch. Kain tayo, popcorn. Mer. Sarap. Mer. Drink water. You find, dun, oh, may trash bin dun, oh. Dun, sa gilid. Sarap. Yummy. Hindi pa kami nakakapasok sa loob. Malapit na maubos yung popcorn namin. Hindi pa nag-start yung movie. Paubos na yung popcorn. Ha? Huh? Come. I'll give you one. Come. And drink water, okay? There you go. D9.
Mama. Give me.
Papa.
Yeah, Mama.
Ay, balak. Sige, Mary, hindi. Come here.
Yeah, Papa, Mama. Down. Papa, Mama, here.
Come.
Aww.
Nan.
Mama, Papa. Mama, Papa, right there.
Tingnan mo nga kung may maingay dito. Mamaya eh. Wala pa namang time. Wala pa namang time. Mamaya. Ayan sa Lilo.
It's still half like it.
Lilo and Stitch. Halika na dito, Mary. At baka may umupo dyan. Nandito kami sa Theater 4, guys. Buti na lang, konti lang ang tao kasi medyo matagal na rin na showing yung movie. Kaya ang chill lang dito sa loob. By the way, guys, commercial pa lang ito.
A few moments later.
Done! Watching Lilo and Stitch! Perfect to para sa first time ni Mary. Tahimik, relax, and ang ganda ng experience niya. Ang saya lang makita siyang sobrang amazed. First time niya sa sinehan and kita mo talaga yung wonder sa eyes niya. Yeah, nag-enjoy talaga siya dun sa movie, guys. Sa first movie experience ni Mary, sobrang heartwarming. Alam niyo yun, guys, minsan hindi kailangan ng bonggang plano, basta magkakasama kayo. So, yun, guys. Yay! We're done! Mary, did you enjoy? Nag-enjoy ka? Oh, antok na si Mary. Hello, guys! Nagpabuhat na si Mary. Inantok na siya. 8 kasi yung tulog ni Mary talaga. So, uwi na kami, guys. And this is the end of our family day today. Ayan. Nag-enjoy, baby? Huh? Did you enjoy? Aww. I love you. Mama and Papa loves you so much, okay? Ohana. What is Ohana? What is Ohana? Are we Ohana? Are we your Ohana?
No.
No. We're home, guys. So, kakain na kami ni Mary. Ang pagkain namin ay burger. Pero nantok na si Mary. So, kakain lang kami, tapos magsha-shower, and then sleep na. Sleeping time. Antok na si Mary. Napagod siya. Nakaupo lang kasi siya doon. So, nangalay ang kanyang likod. Dito na namin tatapusin na aming vlog for today. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next video. What is the best part of the movie?
Eating the popcorn and eating the popcorn while watching the movie.
That is the best part of your day?
Yes, and eat the ice cream.
Oh, yeah, you ate the ice cream too. Okay, now let's go, Narut. I love that part also. Eating ice cream, and you shared your ice cream to us, right? Halika na, Narut. Kain na. Eating time.